posts on Instagram are actually their posts that haven't died yet. As if they're waiting on a bus stop in between the two. Because there's an archive option and there's a delete option. So how do you archive photos without deleting them so you can later get them back? Archive, unarchive, no BS guide on Instagram coming up. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee, because you're awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of. Where?
I don't know.
In the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, comment some hate comments to make my day feel miserable. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're new and if you want to grow on Instagram with bell notifications on. Here is the guide. Okay, so here is my Instagram account. If I click on any photo and click the three dashes right here, I have a delete option, which if I click delete, it's gone. It's not coming back, so click cancel. And then I have an archive option. If I click archive, like I did just now, it's removed from my feed, right? It's nowhere to be found, right? Wherever, no matter where you look, you won't find it. What you can actually do to get it back is click the three dashes right here and click on archive, click the archive button at the top, click on posts, here it is, and just click this, show on profile. And now it will be back, here it is, it's back. So archiving, unarchiving photos, this is the way to do it. It's super simple, but again, if you delete your photos, there's no way to do that, to get them back, there's no way. Actually, there's one, because there's a video I made and that you can see in the cards above about how to recover deleted DMs. But if you want to see the deleted photos and videos guide, I guess you gotta comment down below. And you know what? If you comment your Instagram username down below, I'll shout you out into one of the next videos. Don't believe me? Here is the shout out winner. We have 3. My motivation daily. In YouTube, our videos available now. It's called Rise and Slay. You should all check it out. It is worth your time. Thank you. And he also has a motivational quote channel Instagram account, from what I remember. Thumbs up, Dr. Efson Tyson. Check him out. Thumbs up. Low key star. Here are the 3 shoutout winners. I hope it helps out. And you know what? This is the end of the video. And remember that the video day keeps the doctor away, but this is no financial medical advice. And by the end of this video, one of these videos. See you next one. Bye.